Good morning, kids. Today we are going to read chapter 2 of your science book, Teeth, Digestion and Microbes. So let's start. How do you feel before brushing your teeth in the morning? You feel as if you are not fresh. Of course, before brushing teeth, you must be feeling not fresh. Brush your teeth twice a day and positively after dinner. So after dinner also you should brush your teeth because it is equally important. Means brushing teeth is equally important. When you are brushing teeth at night, it is equally important as you are brushing teeth at the morning. In fact, if you'll ask me, I recommend brushing teeth is more important at night than in morning. It doesn't mean you should not brush your teeth in the morning. You must brush your teeth in the morning, but you must brush before you sleep also. So, at night. Now, our next topic is teeth. You must have seen a newborn baby without teeth. In fact, you were also having not teeth when you took birth, right? How does he look? Cute, na? Isn't it? Now, imagine yourself without teeth. Your look would not be as cute as a baby, right? So, if you will lose your teeth, all of your teeth, you will not look cute. You can try it. I'm not lying. Your book is not lying. Anyway, healthy and shiny white teeth in our mouth make us look good. We cannot chew our food without them. So it is not for the looks. It is of course teeth is important for chewing purpose also, right? And in this chapter we are going to read various importance of teeth. So teeth breaks down the food into smaller pieces so that they can be swallowed and digested easily. So they break your food, whatever you are eating, into small pieces. This is the role of your teeth. It is another thing. Some people are also having or habit of not chewing the food properly. So for them it is not applied, but it is always highly recommended to chew your food properly before you swallow it, right? So it helps your food to be swallowed easily for digestion. They also help us speaking. Yes. Now you can try speak without your help of teeth. How? You just roll your lips around your teeth and now you can just try saying any word. Like I am trying you. It will look awkward. It will sound awkward, I know. Like temporary and permanent teeth. See. So very interesting, na? You can also try. It means, I mean to say, you cannot speak without teeth also. So teeth help in speaking purpose also, right? Anyway, let's move on. When a baby is born, his teeth are not seen. The teeth starts growing when he is about 6 months old. So when a baby born, his teeth, you cannot see his teeth, right? So as he grows up or she grows up and becomes 6 months older, then teeth are started appearing. You can see the teeth appearing by that time. By the time the baby becomes 3 years old, he has a set of 12 teeth. How many? 12 teeth. Set of 12 teeth. This set of, very important, this set of first teeth is called temporary teeth or milk teeth. And how many teeth are there in that set? Yes, 12. Very good. Now, when a child is about 6-7 years old, his milk teeth start to fall and next set of teeth start to appear. So that is the age of 6 to 7 years. What is your age? And you can compare. And don't complain me if you are, you will be of 12 years or 14 years and then also your teeth keeps on falling. So it may be of any reason. So better you consult a doctor. He will suggest you properly, right? Because it is also seen that milk teeth remain for a few more months in a baby and then it falls after later on, right? So no need to worry about it. When a child is about 6 to 7 years old, his milk teeth start to fall and the next set of teeth starts to appear, right? Then those temporary teeth, temporary means which is not permanent, which is not fixed, right? Which is not fixed. Like this pen is my temporary pen, it is not fixed. And I am going to show my permanent pen. This one is permanent pen, right? What is the difference? That once I will use it up, I will have to throw it. Once the ink over, I will have to throw. Likho Feko. That's why its name. Likho and Feko. Similarly, you can say milk teeth is like that. Hai Feko. Once it tooth means, once it your tooth comes out, you have to fake. Means, you have to throw it out, right? So this is permanent. So I hope I made you understand what is the difference between permanent and temporary. This one is temporary and this one is permanent. All I need to do is changing the refill of this pen. So the second set of teeth is called permanent teeth. Children have 28 teeth. Children have 28 teeth. That is the other set of teeth that appears after the permanent teeth, right? At the age of about 18 years, 4 more teeth start growing. They are called wisdom teeth after the age of 18, and it may last, means your teeth, growth of your teeth may last for more than 10 years. Like last year only I had my last wisdom teeth when I turned 29, right? So it is uncertain that when it will come. So that is called wisdom teeth and it is very painful. I am telling you, everyone has to experience that. Okay, that is called wisdom teeth. And adult has a full set of 32 teeth. So when a baby become adult, he or she will have a full set of 32 teeth. 32 दांत होते हैं ना, 32 मत दिखाओ. Sometimes you listen from, often you listen it from somebody that don't 32 मत दिखाओ, don't show your 32 teeth, right? 16 of these teeth are in the upper jaw and the 16 in the lower jaw. So I hope this is it. Let's wait for my another video. Thank you.